Imagine a Toyota Tacoma, but stretched into a 6x6 Overland motorhome that still looks like it belongs in a showroom. Glossy white paint, armored black cladding, and amber accent lighting that screams expedition ready. This is the 2026 Toyota Tacoma Tacozilla Motorhome, a compact RV concept that mixes pickup toughness with real living space without turning into a full-size bus. Front end. The front fascia is bold and truck first, with a large black grille, a chunky bumper profile, and prominent LED lighting. The amber LED signature lights, including a light bar-like strip and vertical elements, give it a utility/off-road support vehicle vibe. Very purposeful, not just decorative. The front lower protection piece, gold/orange, reads like a skid plate, visually reinforcing that it's built for approach angles and trail debris. Body and camper integration. The camper module sits neatly behind the cab with an overcab sleeping/utility section, classic motorhome design, which increases interior volume without making the wheelbase absurdly long. Large side windows suggest a bright interior and a layout designed for real living, not just a weekend shell. The side door area, shown open, hints at a clean step-in height with integrated steps/side skirts to make entry easier despite the tall stance. Up top, you can see roof rails/rack structure, which typically implies mounting options for solar panels, roof storage boxes, recovery boards, and awning system. The overall silhouette feels engineered. It's tall, but not awkwardly top-heavy in design. The biggest headline feature here is the 6x6 configuration, 3 axles/6 wheels. In real-world terms, this usually delivers stability. More contact patches mean better composure under load, especially with a camper body. Payload confidence. A motorhome conversion adds weight. Extra axle support helps distribute it. The redesigned Tacoma's interior makes big strides in both design and packaging. Its dashboard boasts nicer materials along with high-resolution screens and traditional switchgear. While most Tacos have a 7.0-inch digital gauge cluster, TRD off-road models and up feature a larger 12.3-inch all-digital unit. A head-up display comes standard on the Limited, which also packs heated and cooled front seats. Every model also benefits from a raised seating position compared to the previous generation, along with increased headroom, meaning the driver no longer feels like they're sitting on the floor. A more adjustable steering column should help make the truck more comfortable for more people. Step inside and the first impression is premium overland comfort. A motorhome that feels modern, durable, and built for real travel. The living room is the heart of the motorhome, and on a Tacozilla-style layout, it's designed for comfort and practicality. A U-shaped or L-shaped dinette is the most likely configuration because it converts easily into an extra sleeping area. The seating is positioned near the largest windows for a bright, open feel. The central table is usually adjustable. Dining height to lower height for lounging can drop down to form a bed base. The galley in motorhomes like this is all about smart, compact design. Every centimeter is doing a job. A solid composite countertop, often lightweight but durable, with rounded edges for safety. Enough prep space for simple cooking, with a cover system over sink/stove to extend counter area. A deep stainless sink with a high arc faucet. Often includes a pull-down sprayer, great for dish cleanup and filling bottles. Most common setups of cooking area is 2-burner induction. Clean, modern, good for solar/battery builds. Pantry cabinets with dividers to stop items shifting while driving. A small range hood or roof vent above the cooking zone to remove heat and smells. This is what separates a show build from a serious expedition motorhome. Power system, common high-end overland setup. Large lithium battery bank. Inverter system for appliances. Shore power hookup plus smart charger. Solar-ready roof with MPPT controller. The water system is fresh water tank plus pump. Gray tank for sink/shower water. Water heater, diesel/electric depending on specs. Heating/cooling. Rooftop AC for hot climates. Diesel heater or electric heating option for cold areas. Bedroom area. area. With this motorhome shape, there are usually two sleeping solutions. A. Overcab main bed, most likely. A dedicated overcab sleeping platform that stays ready. No daily conversion needed. Mattress is typically a RV queen / short queen style with breathable lining. Side pockets, reading lights, and small shelves for phones / wallets. Windows or vent for airflow, important in hot climates. Overhead cabinets and side wardrobes for folded clothes. The rear of this Tacozilla 6x6 is a strong example of functional overland motorhome design. Easy roof access, secure roof carrying potential, clean storage / service access, and a protective rear profile that's far more trail-friendly than a normal RV. The rear panel is flat, smooth, and high gloss, with tight-looking seams and a minimal modern layout. The white bodywork stays visually premium, while the darker lower trim keeps it looking rugged and hides road grime. The vertical taillights are tall and highly visible, which is important on a tall overland motorhome. Their placement helps ensure strong rear visibility in traffic, safer braking signal recognition, a more OEM-like finish instead of aftermarket add-ons. There's also a high-mounted center brake light near the top, improving visibility for vehicles behind you, especially helpful because the camper body sits higher than a standard pickup bed. The rear bumper area is chunky and protective, with dark cladding that visually matches the front's rugged styling. This matters because the rear is where motorhomes often scrape first on steep dips and uneven terrain.